Hello friends, this is Annette from Simply Panux, and today I am starting to use my Hobonichi Techo. This is the A6 size because even though it is for 2025, in the monthly section I do have access to December, and I'm very happy about it because I didn't know that it had the December month on here. I thought it only started on the January. But since it has December and I haven't used my Hobonichi cousin for the monthly section, I'm going to go ahead and plan with you guys using very minimal stickers. But I am very happy because there is this spread. I'm going to show you very briefly. There's a spread on here that I used for my November weekly page in my Hobonichi cousin. And I used it for the first half of the week. And I loved the combination of this, so I'm gonna use this. I feel like I didn't take advantage of how beautiful this spread was, so I'm going to implement it on my Hobonichi Techo. So let me get my grid washi tape, and this is from Amazon. I got it in Amazon. Since I won't be using these here, I'm going to add the grid all the way through. I'm very excited to be using this one. It's just the size is like perfect. I'm hoping it is something that will work for me. Oh, that's not so perfect. That's fine. I think I just want to use that, and then maybe just here at the bottom. No, I'll continue it. I am planning to use this one as my catch-all planner. There you go. Although I do have my Hobonichi cousin, I do think that I will be using a ooh, let me get my other ones. Hold on. These are the washi strips. I actually used the Hobonichi cousin washi strips in the previous spread, but I think I'll use this small one. Should I? No, I want to use this longer one, so I'm going to use this one here. Use the top here, and it might not. Yeah, I'll do that. Use my handy dandy scissors here to kind of. There we go, just like that. And then this other side, it's not as straight, but it's okay. There you go. Ooh, I love that. I love that. And I use some of these to make it a little pretty. And you know, I'll just use this section at the bottom here, like this. And these are just like the Houseplants collection stickers. They are available in my Etsy shop. Ooh, there we go. And maybe just like one more. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the, I don't think it will. I think I could still write stuff there. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. And how about this one here? Should I use it here? Here? Maybe here? Ooh, that would be nice, right? Okay, I'm gonna just cut this up. Just like the top part, because I like how it looks. Just okay, I don't know where that went. There you go. Yes, that's pretty. And then this part that sticks out, I'm just gonna cut that area. Oh, I found it. There you go. There you go, just like that. I like it. I really like that. Okay, so now I did make a list. I have all the dates, all the bills, so let me get those on here. Okay. Just going to use some of my tweezers. So these dots, these are in the color Oats. Of course, we got rent, so that's going to be rent. First, the 9th, then the 10th, we have another bill. The 11th is another bill. The 19th is another bill. And the 20th, And lastly, the last bill of the month is the 28th. So just enough space there. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside. And then I am using these Tombow dual brush pen, and it's in 192, and this Pentel Sign brush pen, and this is in the color green. I'm not sure, but this is the one. I just love this combination. Let me just go ahead and hand letter. Yeah, why not? Just hand letter the month. December. Yes, it's perfect. So here, the bill is going to be, so the big events coming up are this day, which is the 24th, the 25th, oops. Should I do it this way? Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way. So this is a sticky note that is made for Hobonichi Weeks, but as you can see, it fits perfectly, and I have a little note here, sticky notes, and it's in the color Oats, and it says Hobonichi Weeks, but as you can see, it fits perfectly in the A6 size. So that day I have a meeting, and then I also have a big deal. When is that? So it's going to cover 18. I don't mind it covering a little bit of the 18 on this day because I know between 17 and 19, that's the 18th, right? So there's that day. Just a little highlighted section, just like this. I have this 8th. It's going to be family reunion. So I'm just getting my highlighted sections first, and then I'll go in and write it down. So 11th, 13th, we do have something going on that Friday. And I'm using this month as a catch-all. So this is work and my personal life. So, and vacation as well. So I really do look forward to that. So I'm going to highlight all this here because this is going to be our vacation. There are bills here. These are bills to the 20th. And then the 28th is another bill right there. That way I don't forget to write that down. So I'm done with this one. Now I'm going to use the darker green to go ahead and hand letter all the different bills. So first we're going to start off with rent, just to make it look pretty. And then this day, as an event, I have Metro. 8th is family reunion, so that I'm going to write down family. There we go, family reunion. And then this day here, the 9th, I have the phone bill. Then the 10th, we have internet. This is perfect. That way for January, I will already have all these bills, which are usually on the same days. So I can reference it for next month. I'm taking my mother-in-law to DMV. My friend is having surgery. It's the car payment, so car. Here it's going to be car insurance, so just INS. 20th is donation. 25th, we do have Pioneer meeting. Groceries, so it should be going through, that bill should be going through Walmart. Okay, and then here I'm going to write down our Washington trip. So come back home. Come home. I'm just going to write come home here. Food trip. Ooh, I love that. Add just some dots, just for decor. And maybe like a little highlight, just like that. And then here, since nothing else is going to happen, just a little highlight, because like always, it's always very nice to come home. Just get used to your house. And I think that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's something simple, yet with a little bit of decor, and then just so it's ready for the month. And once I do my weekly pages, not in here because these do start, these daily pages actually, they do start in January. So I won't be able to refer back to it. But this is very good to have just so I can have an idea on how I decorated it on what worked the week before, the month before, for the next month. I hope you got some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.